Air monitoring devices. It's complicated. Fence line monitors, community monitors. We measure the air because what we breathe affects our health and environment. Health effects include decreased lung function, aggravation of respiratory and cardiovascular diseases, increased asthma incidence and severity. The Bay Area Air Quality District defines monitors as stationary devices that measure ambient air that comply with national standards and are regularly checked for accuracy. Monitors measure criteria pollutants and toxic pollutants like particulate matter, nitrogen oxide, carbon monoxide, hydrogen sulfide, etc. Monitors have limitations. For example, they can't determine the source of any specific pollutant. And there are many types of monitors. They're temporary, personal, mobile, and trailers, which are considered to be a monitoring station. The California Air Resources Board 2017 draft report that is being circulated now shows the diagram of air monitoring protection levels for a refinery. Everything inside from the outer circle inward is within the fence line of the refinery. Community monitors and monitoring stations consist of fixed, portable, mobile, and optical remote sensors. The California Air Resources Board recommends real-time telemetry, real-time data, enhanced community monitoring, deployment of new technologies and systems, enhanced off-site community notification, education, and patrol programs, CARB and districts to provide resources for communities to establish their own community-based low-cost sensor networks. CARB and districts should establish a permanent refinery monitoring working group. You can't just plunk a monitor or monitoring station anywhere. You must consider location, pollution type and concentrations, wind and atmospheric conditions, and sensor response time. And I might add, where do people, children and elderly, live? Argos Scientific, a noted firm in air monitoring, presented the following in a webinar. The three components of a fence line and community monitoring program are: first, open path fence line monitors at the refinery; second, community monitors made of point samplers; third, an information system with data integrated into real-time, user-friendly public website. Fence line systems cannot detect all the pollutants. Monitoring sensors have required detection limits and ranges for each pollutant, and there are many types of monitors available. Valero will be installing open path instruments. There are limitations to these monitors as they, I quote, cannot distinguish between a widely dispersed low concentration plume and a narrow high concentration plume. They detect average concentrations across the entire distance from transmitter to detectors. AirWatch Bay Area did a monitoring analysis of 2016 and 2017 data from the Richmond, California Chevron. If you note the highlighted yellow ellipse for the dangerous toxic pollutant toluene, only 2.1% of the time did both the fence line and the community monitors detect the toxic pollutant. And note that there are times when community monitors showed 4 or more pollutants, while the fence line monitors detected merely a fraction of those detected. And here shows the community monitors detected 1 or more pollutant over 90% of the time reported. Venetians want to know what's in the air. This map shows resident purchased particulate air monitors in Venetia. Community monitoring is essential for accuracy and for appropriate health responses. A network of monitors and monitoring station is essential for accuracy and reliability. Expert advice is needed for selection and placement of monitors and monitoring. Data reporting, analysis, and effective community alerts and education are critical.